Hey guys, it's Dan with the Crayon Brotherhood, and I have Kyle with me today, and we are in the Ouachitas. Kyle's never run many trails in the Ouachitas, so I brought him out here, and we're going to do part of the Comanche Trail and part of the Beach Creek Trail. He's never done any of that, so that's what we're going to do today. We just got out here. It's kind of late in the afternoon. It's almost 3 o'clock, so it's going to be probably get to camp at dark situation. But yeah, he hit me up, asked what I was doing this weekend, and wanted to come out this way, so we're gonna bring him out here and show him what the Ouachitas have to offer. So y'all sit back and enjoy the show. Alright guys, we got to our little campsite and got all set up. Got the Jeep over there, the iKamper out. Kyle's over here. He's making some burgers tonight. Gonna be some good eating. Had a good time on the trail today. What'd you think of the trail there, Kyle?
I like the trail. Nothing technical, just a nice ride through the forest. I mean, you got some rocks and some fun times, but I mean, it's just a nice, relaxing ride. I've never been here before.
Yeah. Like we were talking about a minute ago, it's not as wild as the Ozarks, but it's still pretty, and you don't always want crazy wild. You just kind of want to run some trails, get out in the woods, see some things you ain't seen, relax.
Yep.
And it's like you said, what, it was an hour and a half or 3 hours for you to get here?
Yeah, 3 hours.
3 hours from you, hour 15 minutes for me. Well, to get where we're at, the trail was probably closer to 2.5 hours for me. But yeah,
Where we're at, it took all day, but I mean that's
yeah. Well, that's the idea.
Drive around all day and go nowhere.
All right, guys. So food's almost done. We got everything set up. We fixing to pop up some chairs, sit around and eat, and probably tell a few lies or two, and just relax for the night. So go hit that like and subscribe button, and until next time guys, simplify and God bless.